Good evening, ma'am. My name is Lalde Baeseñero. My topic is all about notes receivable. So, in basic accounting, notes receivable is an asset that represents a written promise from a customer or another party to pay a certain amount of money at a future date. It is more formal than accounts receivable because instead of just an invoice, there's a signed document or a promissory note that states the amount to be paid or the principal, the date of payment or maturity date, the interest rate or if any, the maker or the one who owes the money, the payee or the one to receive the money. Example, if your business loans 50,000 pesos to a customer and they signed a promissory note agreeing to pay it back in 6 months with 5% interest, you would record 50,000 pesos as notes receivable. Over time, you would also recognize interest income. In short, notes receivable, written promise to collect money in the future.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Kristen Tapia, and my topic is all about interest expense. So, an interest expense is a cost a borrower pays for using another party's money, such as in loans or bonds, and is recorded as an expense on a company's income statement. It is calculated as a percentage of the outstanding debt balance and represents a non-operating expense, impacting profitability but not directly tied to a company's core operations. These are a key aspects of an interest expense. First, cost of borrowing. It is a price a borrower pays to a lender for the use of their funds. Second, income state items. Interest expense is a separate line item on a company's income statement, typically found after operating expenses. Third, non-operating expense is not related to a company's main business activities but its financing activities. Fourth, debt obligation. Interest expense is a fixed cost that must be paid regardless of the company's profitability. Fifth, calculation and journal entries. The calculations. The formula for simple interest expense is interest expense is equals to balance of debt times interest rates. Accounting entry to record interest expense under the crucial basis of accounting. Debit the interest expense account. Credit the interest payable or it is liability on the balance sheet. Here are the two important of interest expense. First, impact of profitability. A highest interest expense can significantly reduce a company's profits. Second, sensitivity to interest rates. Business with large or multiple loans are particularly vulnerable to increases in interest rates, which can challenge the profitability. That's all. Thank you.